the media TV for coming to this very all important protest. My name is Dr. Nnanna Igwe, the president of Ohaneze Igbo in the United Kingdom. We are here, a coalition of all Igbo organizations in the United Kingdom, led by Ohaneze Igbo United Kingdom, Congress of Igbo Leaders UK, Council of Igbo Communities UK, and Ogbako Igbo UK, and all other organizations of Igbo extraction. We're going to be also joined by our brothers from Yoruba area, people from the Middle Belt, and people from the South. We are here for a peaceful awareness rally to raise awareness about the killings of Igbos in the Southeast, in the South, and anywhere in the Nigerian Federation. Also, the killing of other ethnic minority people, South, Middle Belt, Yoruba people, by the Fulani, even Southern Kaduna people. Christians are being killed. The Fulani people are taking our land. They are raping people. They are carrying AK-47. They are damaging and killing people. It has to stop and stop now. We need the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Major General Buhari, to call for urgent national conference for a dialogue on the future of Nigeria. We need restructure of Nigeria now. And we want Nigeria to be peaceful. Insecurity has to stop. It has to stop and stop now. That's why we are here. And we are calling on British government, the Prime Minister Boris Johnson. We are calling on the US President Joe Biden. We are calling on all EU and the United Nations, the Commonwealth, not to keep quiet while Nigeria is about to implode. Nigeria is about to explode. And if we implode, the whole of West Africa sub-region and the whole of Africa will be in turmoil. So you need to act now to save Nigeria from disintegration. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.